Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change profile banner on Twitch. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Your Twitch profile says everything about you. If you're a streamer, it's a gateway to your community, but it's also a place for other users to learn more about you. However, Twitch users who don't stream shouldn't neglect their profile. If you want to make an impression in a new community, you should update your Twitch profile to include content about yourself. That includes changing your Twitch banner image to something that suits your personality. And in this video, I will show you how to change your Twitch profile banner. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitch. Now you can just go to your profile by tap on the bottom right here. Tap on the upper right corner here, edit profile. And you'll find there is an option profile picture and profile banner. Because we want to change the profile banner, you can just tap on the profile banner in here. You can take a photo from your camera or you can just choose your existing photo from your gallery. Maybe for example, I will just from my gallery. I will choose picture. This picture, I think. Now, you can fit the image. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner here, checklist. Can wait. It's still loading. Image updated. So here's your new profile banner on your Twitch account. So simple, right? Let's reopen the Twitch to see the result. It's so cool, right? So that is how to change your Twitch profile banner picture. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!